Welcome guys, so today I'm with this Anker Soundcore Live A1 earbuds and I'm going to show you how you can pair them with your MacBook. So at the first, just remember to charge them at least to the 50% before the pairing. And another step will be very simple. We have to open the case, take them off from the case. And we can take a look on the indicators. When one of them is blinking quickly, it means that they are in the pairing mode. If they are not, you can just click and hold them together. Keep holding. They will power off after a few seconds when you hold them still. And then click and hold one more time and keep holding until one of these indicators start blinking quickly. As you can see, the right one is blinking, so it means that they are successfully in the pairing mode. So put them back, but don't to the case. Go for the Bluetooth settings. Enable Bluetooth by tapping right here. As you can see, they appear on the list. Select connect. And after a few seconds, they are connected. And the last step that I can recommend you can just simply go for the sound settings and just check if they automatically switch from our internal speaker and microphone to our external Soundcore Live A1. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, just remember to like, comment and subscribe.